Hey guys, what's going on? It's Untitled, and I've got a very special holiday themed unboxing. As you can see, I got 3 presents here gifted to me by my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. Big thank you to Hibbett Sports for always supporting the channel. And now you have a chance to get in on the action because I am doing a giveaway, $250 gift card Hibbett Sports provided me to give to one of you guys. So I'm gonna do it on Instagram, so you'll see a post of whatever is in this package. You're gonna see a picture of that, and then the instructions there. Essentially, I'm just gonna have you tell me your favorite Christmas movie, and then tag Hibbett Sports. So head over to my Instagram now, check out that to win $250 towards Hibbett's site. On their site, they have just a plethora of sneakers, clothing, you know, the hottest new releases, great return policy, great rewards program. So what's cool with this is maybe buy a couple gifts with it, maybe spend a little on yourself. But either way, Hibbett Sports is where you want to go. You're shopping for Christmas. And I'd say buy now, buy early. Don't waste any more time because with everything going on, the pandemic, shipping times have been longer than normal. So everyone's kind of dealt with it a little, here and there. So go ahead, order now, get your, presents, buy them now. Can't stress that enough. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm pretty excited. It's actually been sitting under my tree for a few days, so I finally gonna open it up. As you can see, I've got the roaring fire. Very cold out now, and got the tree up. So Christmas season in full effect. So here we go. This is. Let's see here. What do we got? Ooh. All right. So starting off, everyone's favorite gift that they get, underwear. Here we go. This is PSD. This is like this new, kind of like this new extremely comfortable underwear. Wow. Very like silky. So as you can see here, it's like this workout, almost like a workout type compression, which I really like these. I actually just got a Peloton, so wearing something like these under shorts. It's got the thick strap and then obviously the stretchy material. So these are actually come in handy for working out. Ooh, we got Space Jam theme. All right, these are really cool. So Space Jam theme. So links to everything that is in this package will be in the description. So pretty cool. Let's put these aside over here. Let's do this red one. Let's do this. This is fun. Christmas came early for you, Auntie, and I'm pretty happy. Let's see. Ooh, all right. Ooh, Air Max 90, as you guys know, one of my favorite sneakers of all time, if not my favorite sneaker of all time. So what do we got here? Size 9, retail 120. I'm excited to get this on. Gonna go taped up. Here we go. Ooh, wow, here we go. Air Max 90. And this is, let me read the official colorway. Wow, that is clean. This is black, radiant red, white. So really cool mix on the Air Max 90. Wow, I love these. So it kind of reminds me of the infrared 90s, but like almost like a night mode. So as you can see, you've got that infrared, what are they calling it? Radiant red. Okay, so it's a radiant red. You got it on the swoosh, underneath, Nike Air patch. Then you've got this nice gray. What's cool too is that's actually like a suede on there. You get this nice gray, and then the black just kind of sets it off. So I really love the different pops. The white pops in the back, the black pops there, the white pops on the tongue. So, ooh, I really like these. These are sweet. So these are going straight on feet. I'm gonna wear these like right now, and I can't wait. Love those. So let's open up the next one. This is sweet. All right, here we go. Very nice wrap job over at Hibbett. Nice job, guys. I always try to perfect my wrapping every year. Here we go. So link to those Air Maxes will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. And let's do this. Here we go. New Balance 327. This has been, I think the 327 has been a popular model this year. I've seen these everywhere. Here we go. Boom. Yeah, the New Balance 327 has been everywhere. It's got just a really cool, like retro looking design, but also still modern. So as you can see right there in the bottom, clear outsole, super grippy, like retro looking bottom. Like this is what old running sneakers used to look like. Like that's how you got your grip. Kind of reminds me of like the waffle pattern that you saw in the original Nikes. Comes all the way back up this heel here, thick heel, and then you've got just like the oversized end. And this is like some cool colors too. You've got light blue, white, red, green, blue, dark red, yellow, orange, navy blue. Wow, this is like one of the wildest sneakers I've ever seen. Oh, and it is a Kawhi colorway. So obviously Kawhi Leonard is signed with New Balance, and this is considered a Kawhi colorway. So even down here, you've got the New Balance logo with some light blue coming up the side. So these are really cool too. So if you are into New Balance, I think this is a really cool pair. And then obviously, if you're a Nike guy, boom. So links to both of these will be in the description. Thank you very much to Hibbett Sports for sending me this. Christmas came early and I really appreciate it. Once again, that giveaway. Check out my Instagram. You'll see a post. I'll post these two sneakers on there. Look for that, and I'll do a little giveaway. Make sure you check the links in the description. Other than that, thanks again, Hibbett Sports. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great holiday season. You'll probably see me before Christmas. I'll pump out another video before Christmas for you guys. And other than that, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.